if you are considering dry pedicures, so doing them, providing them for clients, or receiving them as a client, you really need to know this. So here I'm working with the Healthy Air Salon Source Capture system. Just recently, I received a nice email from Healthy Air letting me know that they have made some improvements to their system, and they asked me if I would like to try the improvements. So the unit here that you see is my Healthy Air unit from Canada. With the addition of a power transformer, it actually works beautifully here in Spain, works perfectly. So I bought this unit quite a few years ago in Canada, and it has moved with me I think 3 times now. So proper extraction is vital, especially if you are doing dry pedicures. Honestly, I would not be doing dry pedicures and dry manicures for that matter without a proper source extraction. So what is the difference between professional source extraction and having like a regular home HEPA filter in a salon? So the most important thing is that the unit here, the source capture, works at the source capturing airborne particles. So this means that these particles, which could be fungal spores, and all kinds of cooties, don't have to fly and land all over the salon for a HEPA filter to catch it, or not at that point. So if you are a client and you are receiving dry pedicures and the pedicures doesn't have a good quality extraction system, I would be concerned for sure. So this has HEPA, and it also has something called eHEPA. So eHEPA technology collects particle size that is less than 0.1 micron through electrostatic force at 99% efficiency. And the HEPA is rated at H13, rating 99.97 at 0.1 microns. Healthy Air has sent me a new hose, new replacement filters. So the changes that they made are just to the hose, which seems like it's not that important, but it actually is. So the hose now is more flexible and it moves much smoother, and the end of the hose is most secure. So this unit is quite simple, and it has 3 speeds: low, medium, and high, and it starts on a medium. I switch to a high speed when I'm working on the other foot that is a bit further away from the hose. So the unit comes with the remote control as well, but I've misplaced it during the move. I'm sure I will be able to find it one day. The medium speed is not very loud. The high speed, I have to say, it's quite loud, but it's also extremely effective. I guess that's the price that you have to pay. I find I work most on the medium speed, and I only switch to the high speed when I'm creating more dust. So when I'm exfoliating the heels, for example. What is the cost of this machine? So at the time of recording this video, the system is about $1,000 US. So yes, it's quite an investment, but these machines, they last a very long time. These are professional machines. They are made to be used every single day. So the new models of these machines have 3 replacement filters that are incorporated into one filter. And the replacement filter costs about $200 US, and it needs to be changed once every 6 months. So it does sound like a lot of money until you do the math. So amortized over 5 years, the cost of the machine is about $200 a year, so about $17 a month. The cost of the filter is $200 divided by 6 months, which is about $33 a month. So really the machine and the filter will cost you about $50 a month. If you are doing 20 pedicures a week, so about 80 pedicures a month, that will cost you about 63 cents per pedicure. So that's not that expensive. I'm sure that you can either raise your price by $1 or something, and definitely the clients will appreciate it and your body will appreciate it as well. If there are any mistakes with my math, please let me know in the comment section. By the way, they also have free shipping in US and to Canada as well.